Hello everyone. So basically in today's GFG POTD, we have a problem, remove duplicates, and it is an easy level of problems. As the problem given here, given a string str without spaces, the task is to remove all the duplicate characters from it, keeping only the first occurrence. The original order of characters must be kept the same. So basically in this problem we have a string and we need to return only those part of strings which are actually which do not have containing like duplicates. And so for example, if we can say like in the first example string str, like it contains zvvo, then we can say here that is v is actually repeating two times. So we have to like take only this v which appears first, and those v which are actually second times we need to remove it. Similarly, if we are talking about the example second, like it contains GFG. So first of all, once we are actually storing the G, then F, then again G is actually repeating this, so we don't have to take this G. So we need to simply return only this GF. So we have to run this problem within the time complexity of order of n and expected auxiliary spaces like order of 1. So for solving this problem, what we can do here, first understand this problem. So basically here whatever the problem is, whatever the examples given here in the example I have taken here, and I'm going to explain it that what we have to do basically. First of all, whatever the strings are actually given here which contains like duplicate, we need to like here, like for example string str is given here again, and the second example is also given here, gfg. So I'm going to explain you that what are the processes through which we can tackle this problem. Okay, so whatever the strings are which we have, to solve this problem, first of all we have to like create an array of like 26 size which contains all the letters of English alphabets, and we need to like for example, if here Z disappear, if we are going through this example, then let's say if I say that is Z disappears, so Z is basically appear at the last. Let's say if I'm saying here that is Z appears here. Okay, once the Z will appear here, what we have to do, we have to also we have to take like variable bool to also check that we have like taken this value, and once it will appear, then we have to also make sure that this position is actually true for the first value. Now if the second value is also, let's say Z, then we don't have to take it. That means that is actually duplicate, so we have to like cancel out and move to the next element. Similarly, if we can say that let's say v is coming here, so let's say v is coming here, so like once it will be like appearing, which is like the first element, and once we like move to the second element of v, then v is actually already there here, so we don't have to take this, and then we have to next move for o, then we need to simply take it. So once we have like these things, we need to also like create a variable of answer which basically stores these values, that means zvo. So here we are do first of all what we have to like create a string of like answer type of answer variable, and here I have like, here I haven't done anything. Here I have to simply store the values which do not contains duplicates. So for that, here I have to also like make a, let's say if I'm saying a bool temp which is of 26. Okay, that means the size of an array for the character. Once you have like done these things, then we need to like insert all the elements of the string. As per the question, we need to insert all the elements of strings inside the array in such a way so that it doesn't contain the duplicate. So for that, here I'm I have to like traverse it and insert all those values. Let's say if I am saying that for auto x, which is basically taking all the values from a string, and we have to also show that whatever the value actually we are taking inside the array, string array, we don't have to take the duplicates value also. So for that, we are saying that, let's say if temp of x minus a, this means this basically describes the index. It explains that let's say if I'm saying that if x is like z, then z minus a, which is equal to like 25, it basically returns the index value 25. So that means if we are saying that if 25, if this is the 25 index, so we have to like insert those value, and let's see if again the value which appears on the index 25, we don't have to take it. So here what we can do, here we have to take the value. Okay, so here we have to like do what, answer plus equal to x if it is like there. Okay, and whatever the x may be anything like from character a to character z. Okay, whichever I have described here. Okay, and we have to make sure that if the elements appear on their index position, then we have to make true to that position so that no other duplicates will be appear on that particular index. So for that what we have to do, here I have taken, let's say if temp of x minus a, then here I have to also write temp of x minus a. Here I have to make sure that here I have to make true. Once I like make the true, that means one by one all the non-duplicate elements actually appear on the string. Okay, on the array. Once it will like once the array is completed, when the strings is completed, we have to like return our answer, whatever the array is containing. Okay, and which we actually storing here, answer string. Let's compile and run. So it's compilation is executed. Let's try to submit it. So it's submitted. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.